Good evening, everybody. I am reviewing the Haimmy electric infrared heater, and this is it. I just didn't put the footing on it yet because I'm testing it out real quick and showing you that everything works. This is the button. It comes with a remote as well, but I'm going to do this real quick to show you how it lights up. You just twist that knob until you get it to the desired heat level. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, it is lighting up hot. Ooh, this thing is it's very hot. It's very heated. As you can see, it says do not cover it on top. It looks very good. It's very tall. You could pretty much use this in your house as well, but I wouldn't have it up too high in the house because you know how it's spreading heat everywhere right about now. So it is really nice and hot. So it is a nice heater to have. And thank you for watching, and pick you one up today.